and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Target haul. You guys can tell by the title. Yeah, so today is a Target haul. I haven't done a Target haul in so long. I love Target. And yeah, so guys don't know, I am going to Israel this summer for about 10 days or 2 weeks. It depends on if I get extension to extend to stay with my family for a little bit. I'm going on birthright, which is if you're Jewish, you can do it. It's kind of basically free. So I really recommend if you're Jewish to go to Israel. It's awesome. And yeah, so I'm excited. So I bought a bunch of travel stuff for this trip, and I want to show you guys of things that I always tend to buy when I travel. First thing I'm going to show you guys is this backpack that I picked out. It's from the brand Imovie. They're really like awesome and huge, and I can fit a lot of stuff. It's also pink, which is my favorite color. So I'm really excited to bring this along on the trip. So next is the bag. This bag of stuff. There's a lot of more stuff, like random stuff here, so I'm just gonna dive in. So the first thing is this power base wall adapter. You can see this is from the brand My Charge. I actually looked it up on the internet recently, and I found out it's really retailed for like $30, and I got it for like $10 on sale, clearance. The reason I got this is because it has 3 outlets, and I need one that has multiple outlets when I go. Next is shampoo. This is the brand that I use pretty much every day these past weeks. This is the Head and Shoulders. This is the Head and Shoulders Classic Clean. It's for like the dandruff, so I figured I'd get this one just in case I get dandruff when I'm there. I know it's a little TMI, but just in case, I figured I'd get this one. It's good, and I know it will always work. Going along with the shampoo, I did get soap. This is the Dove I got soap, as you guys can see. This is the Dove Deep Moisturizer Nourishing Body Wash. This is the one I use literally every day. I've been using it for years. I haven't changed because I'm very sensitive. So I got 2 because sometimes I use more than I should. So I figured let me get 2 just in case. So that soap is some makeup remover wipes. These are the Neutrogena 7 Free Moist Towelettes. I literally use these all the time here, and I needed them. Even though I'm not gonna probably wear makeup every day, I figured I'd get 2 packs. Again, because I'll probably be away for 2 weeks. So these are the wipes. These are the wipes I use. In case anybody's wondering. This is actually not for the trip, but I may bring it on the trip. I'm not sure yet. This is the e.l.f. Magic Mist Set. This is just a setting spray that I use all the time if I put makeup on. Not all the time, but most of the time. This is the one I've always gone to, and I think it works really well, so I really recommend it. It's probably like $3, so it's super cheap. Next, we got some deodorant. This is that. You gotta give your deodorant because I'll be walking a lot and it's gonna be smelling, so I gotta make sure I have this on me 24/7 when I'm there. Next, going along with like things with hair and stuff, I forgot to mention I also got a dry shampoo. Maybe we can focus you, I think. This is your Not Your Mother dry shampoo. I really like this one a lot, and I just figured I would bring this because in case, let's say I just want to shower really quickly and I don't want to do my hair, and I did my hair the next day, I'll just go woo, and I'll put that in, and I'll just shower my body, which will take like 2 minutes, maybe even less. So that's why I got this. Next, we got some makeup. So I really don't have a makeup for the summer like I do, but they're all really old. So I've always gone to use this one. This is the Maybelline BB Cream Fresh in the color Light to Me. I think that's my color. I figured I'd get a little darker because in the summer I do get more red and darker in the summer. So, and this also has SPF 30, so I really recommend if it's summertime, get a foundation that has SPF, but it's gonna just save you so much more time. Speaking of SPF, I did get a sunscreen. So this is the one that I got. This is from Banana Boat. This is SPF 30. I just picked anyone that's travel size. So this is a hand sanitizer. So this is the hand sanitizer from the Target brand with aloe. I am one that I hate germs, so after I eat or stuff, I always put on hand sanitizer, so I figured I must bring hand sanitizer with me to Israel or I'll freak out. You know? I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I am. I don't know why I am just like this. I have no idea why I've gotten like this. And lastly, this is just Band-Aids, because you just never really know if you're gonna get a cut or anything. Band-Aids are really essential for a trip, especially if you're traveling to another country. There's only 8 in here, and I do have some others that like I'm gonna put together and stuff. I'll have like a little travel kit, and that is everything in my Target. Woo! That's everything in my Target haul for my trip. I'm definitely going to be doing a pack with me. There'll be a vlog when I get back from my trip, which will probably not be till like end of August. So many stuff is coming. I'm so excited to bring you a lot of content. If you guys have any special videos you guys want me to film, if I have time, more will be like September and stuff. Let me know down below of requests you guys want for the future, because I'm starting to run out of ideas, you know, so let me know down below, and I will see you guys next Sunday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on my social media network, which will be awesome. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.